Well, ladies and gentlemen, here we are at the 2024 Walter Hayes with the man himself, James Beckett, who's done such an exceptional job of putting it together. And actually, we have our Heroes of Formula Ford 1600 Sprint Cup Spirit of Rock and Roll prize. This unbelievable guitar that was crafted exclusively for him on my brother's Reloved Guitars concern. And undoubtedly, when the panel discussed this, there was only one man for this award in 2024. A man who uprooted with his family from his home in Australia, travelled the world to pursue his dreams, and he's a very worthy recipient of this one-of-one guitar, which is actually to be played, not just to be displayed. And as an added bonus, today we managed to get Jan Magnussen, ex-Formula 1 star, 3 times Le Mans winner, to put to Will from Formula Ford 1600 to the world, which is really what Formula Ford originally was all about. So ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Will Liston!
Well done.
Good job.